Hello everyone. Today I got email invitation for using Manus AI. I got 1000 free credits. Okay, so I thought of exploring Manus AI. I already uploaded a video about Manus AI. If you haven't watched that, first you can watch that. Okay. Basically, you can just give one or two lines of prompt to complete the task. Okay. So suppose if you want to get a website, you can just say that create a website for your purpose. Okay. So I thought of asking it to collect the contact details of the potential affiliates for selling my AI course. Okay. So I'm just showing it here. Okay. So basically it's working fine. Okay. But initially it's struggling and then it's making corrections. So basically it's taking time. Okay, but ultimately without any intervention it's able to deliver, right? And it's able to collect relevant information, and it's able to deploy as a website also. Okay, so basically it's usable, but pricing other details we need to check. Okay, I'm providing the replay link in the description. You can check that. Okay, thanks, bye.